Okay, it's me again. Kuchu kuchu like a train. Ako name the TK Duitwa in all digital platforms. You are now watching Keep Climbing Vodcast. I'm not alone. I'm here with.
Shoba fethu kumele Malindi chabume ngingasemfuleni uzugcwala sho.
Mocho mocho. Okay. Ndinemibuzo emibini endifuna uyibuza. Which genre are you doing?
Yo exe. Hip hop ni kwaito but ni kwaito sho. Ni kwaito ya
Okay.
kwaito.
Okay, mocho mocho. Into endifuna uyibuza, in hip hop ne sikhola nto bathi beef. So i-beef izala i-diss tracks ne-battle raps. So uyayipromota la way in hip hop uba mayibe yinto ekhoyo or ibe yinto eyekwayo ngoku.
Like one of the things that make hip hop is actually the beef. If I'm not back beef, cause bora guys. Boy, oh, cause it pass, like why cause pass? Couldn't square polayo payano ba. You know I'm better than this hose, something like that. So it's always like that, man. Nobody's we avoid but just I know.
Bring Kenny came back.
If beef has food, my qandeni Joe.
Okay.
Ubeef uqonda ba hayi manje kusewunyanisile lo mntana and uthatha uzophindisa yabo so yeah man yeah
Yes, zengodlame. Zengodlame. Okay. Ndinombuzo wesibini endifuna umbuza. Othi i-rap yesiXhosa ayingumculo omninzi kakhulu kwi-industry if uyaqaphela. Yenziwa yintoni loo nto kwaye ii-artist ezirepha ngesixhosa zingenza njani ukuze nazo ibe kanti kwi-industry zininzi because bafew abantu baphaa basimeleyo kwii-rap zesixhosa bacula i-rap ngesixhosa yenziwa yintoni laa nto?
but then it's because sifuna ufitha in eJoburg guys. It's because sifuna ufitha in eJoburg. eJoburg if awukhulumi, if you don't go, if you don't cry, if you don't well, then awuzuthatha jo. Bawufika pha ukhale bandingena endlini ngiphethe iplanga nebigini abazugoya jo. So we have to go, you have to cry nokukhulume. So but then ngoku if you actually looking ngoku Xhosa Wave is doing the most actually. Shout out to everyone ocula ngesixhosa guys. They're actually doing the most. And then ngoku you don't have to go to Joburg to make it. Yabo. For example, when you wake a switch going on and to town, and I didn't have to go to Joburg to do it also. Yabo bantu no Red Bull and everything. But then yeah, man. Also, if is doing the most actually right now.
Xhosa phambili jo mama.
Guy boy, couldn't language better than this Xhosa.
Hayi kona ayikho. Sikufumana njani kwi-platforms?
MayLee Malindi everywhere, Facebook, Instagram, no Twitter, but yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere. MayLee Malindi.
MayLee Malindi, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere.
Okay. Okay.
So usiphathele ntoni ke ngoye mandi like ezayo. Of course khona iwe esidlule yona semgqubeni.
Yeah. Yona esemgqubeni ngoku ekhoyo okanye seyivuthiwe.
Okay, ezomarhadebe ndiniphathele i-EP yaba month end. Month end. Khabetha sabhe month end that Cooper the month end. Check out that month end.
Okay.
Ababi mina lithava bavanga.
Month end the dropper.
Kamaliphi.
Kamele kaloku sanifuna yonke into kaloku.
Ngabaxeleli.
Azosdala
Mocho, okay. It will follow you keep climbing vodcast.
Keep doing
Keep climbing vodcast.
Keep climbing.
Vodcast.
Si climb and don't go.
Senyuka noma kunzima.
Out to the top. Keep climbing podcast. But if noma ngasho nje bazokumamela, why bazomamela?
Basebasho ungasisho ngevoice yakho because abantu mameli.
Bafethu, asifollow ishene keep climbing podcast ingani khwabe kusebona.
Mocho.